everyone, and welcome to Storytime. I hope you like that new introduction that I've got for Storytime. Let me know in the comments, or you can get a hold of us at the Waverly branch through the website at morgancountypubliclibrary.info. Let me know what you think. Now, before we get on to the story, you know what we have to do, and we have to hurry today because the story takes a little longer than usual. So, without any further ado, let's get started. Here he is. Ready? Let's go. Baby shark do-do-do-do-do. Baby shark do-do-do-do-do. Baby shark do-do-do-do-do. Baby shark. Whew. Mama shark do-do-do-do-do. Mama shark do-do-do-do-do. Mama shark do-do-do-do-do. Mama shark. Daddy shark do-do-do-do-do. Daddy shark do-do-do-do-do. Daddy shark do-do-do-do-do. Daddy shark. Oh, and who's next? It's Grandpa Shark. Grandpa Shark do-do-do-do-do. Grandpa Shark do-do-do-do-do. Grandpa Shark do-do-do-do-do. Grandpa Shark. Grandma Shark do-do-do-do-do. Grandma Shark do-do-do-do-do. Grandma Shark do-do-do-do-do. Grandma Shark. And then Daddy says, let's go hunt-a-doo-doo-doo-doo. Let's go hunt-a-doo-doo-doo-doo. Let's go hunt-a-doo-doo-doo-doo. Let's go hunt. And the little fish say, swim away, do-do-do-do-do. Swim away, do-do-do-do-do. Swim away, do-do-do-do-do. Swim away. Then the little fish say, woo! Safe at last, do-do-do-do-do. Safe at last, do-do-do-do-do. Safe at last, do-do-do-do-do. Safe at last. That's the end, do-do-do-do. That's the end, do-do-do-do. That's the end, do-do-do-do. That's the end. And now on to our story, which is The 12 Days of Christmas Dogs by Carolyn Conahan, and it is read with permission of Dutton Children's Books, which is a division of the Penguin Young Readers Group. I hope you enjoy this story. The 12 Days of Christmas Dogs. Oh, look, that girl is playing with a dog. And her friend says, come on, we're going to open presents. And the boy says, you'll like my present the best. I know it. On the first day of Christmas, my best friend gave to me a pug puppy under the tree. Oh, she's so excited about a puppy. But the boy is being kind of mean and says, the person who gives the best present must be the best friend. And the girl is kind of mad and says, is that so? On the second day of Christmas, my best friend gave to me 2 turtle dogs. And the girl in the yellow coat says, 2 dogs are better than 1. Don't you think? Who's the best friend now? And the girl who's getting the dog says, nice turtlenecks. On the second day of Christmas, my best friend gave to me 2 turtle dogs and a pug puppy under the tree. Ooh. They look like they're all having fun now. On the third day of Christmas, my best friend gave to me 3 French dogs, 2 turtle dogs, and a pug puppy under the tree. On the 4th day of Christmas, my best friend gave to me 4 collie dogs, 3 French dogs, 2 turtle dogs, and a pug puppy under the tree. Oh, wow! On the 5th day of Christmas, my best friend gave to me 5 golden dogs, 4 collie dogs, 3 French dogs, 2 turtle dogs, and a pug puppy under the tree. On the 6th day of Christmas, my best friend gave to me 6 pooches playing, 5 golden dogs, 4 collie dogs, 3 French dogs, 2 turtle dogs, and a pug puppy under the tree. On the 7th day of Christmas, my best friend gave to me, 7 splashy swimmers, 6 pooches playing, 5 golden dogs, 4 collie dogs, 3 French dogs, 2 turtle dogs, and a pug puppy under the tree. On the 8th day of Christmas, my best friend gave to me 8 pups all milky, 7 splashy swimmers, 6 pooches playing, 5 golden dogs, 4 collie dogs, 3 French dogs, 2 turtle dogs, and a pug puppy under the tree. On the 9th day of Christmas, my best friend gave to me 9 doggies dancing, 8 pups all milky, 7 splashy swimmers, 6 pooches playing, 5 golden dogs, 4 collie dogs, 3 French dogs, 2 turtle dogs, and a pug puppy under the tree. On the 10th day of Christmas, my best friend gave to me 10 labs a-leaping, 9 doggies dancing, 8 pups all milky, 7 splashy swimmers, 6 pooches playing, 5 golden dogs, 4 collie dogs, 2 turtle dogs, and a pug puppy under the tree. Oh my! On the 11th day of Christmas, my best friend gave to me 11 yappy yippers, 10 labs a-leaping, 9 doggies dancing, 8 pups all milky, 7 splashy swimmers, 6 pooches playing, 5 golden dogs, 4 collie dogs, 3 French dogs, 2 turtle dogs, and a pug puppy under the tree. On the 12th day of Christmas, my best friend gave to me 12 doggies drumming, 11 yapping yippers, 10 labs a-leaping, 9 dogs dancing, 8 pups all milky, 7 splashy swimmers, 6 pooches playing, 5 golden dogs, 4 collie dogs, 3 French hens, 2 turtle dogs, and a pug puppy under the tree. And if you look at the pictures, you can see boom, boom, thumpity bump, tippity tap, pitty pitty pat, bippity bop, boppity bip. All sorts of drumming sounds. And then the boy says, wow, what are we going to do with all these dogs? And the girl who received the dogs as presents says, you'll see. Wait here. I have presents for both of you. Oh! She got them ringleader outfits, like for the circus. And then she says, now we're ready for some fun. And the blonde girl says, best friends and new friends together. And the boy says, hooray! On with the show. Oh, wow. A doggy circus. There's some dogs driving a car and a dog on a unicycle, or more dogs on a unicycle. Some dogs juggling, some dogs walking on a high wire. Wow. Dogs riding other dogs. Oh, a whole bunch of dogs in a little teeny car. Dancing dogs. All sorts of dogs. And the very last page says, we hope you enjoyed the show. Watch for our Best Friends World Tour. And I think that's a really fun book that is just a little different than you might usually hear at Christmas time. I hope you really enjoyed it. And now, on to our craft for this story. Okay, and now it's time to talk about the craft kit for this week. It may look a little intimidating, but it really isn't. You will have a page in your kit with actually a color picture of what your paper bag dog puppet will look like when you're done. And you will also have a page of instructions, and you will have a page with a bow, and that you can use it or not use it, whatever you want. You can use it for a bow on the head or for a bow tie if you decide your dog is a boy. Now, there are a couple other things. There is a small paper that I would call a map, and it shows like, oh, this piece here is the belly part, and that is white. And let's see, this piece is the stripe that goes on his face, and that's also white. And it also tells you for the dog ear, you'll have a larger brown piece of paper, and the dog tongue is, you have a pink piece of paper, and for the dog tail, you have a small brown piece of paper. Now, you also have a piece of black paper if you want to cut out eyes and a piece for the nose, or you can just draw them with a marker. You also have a piece of ribbon that you can use for a collar if you want. You don't have to. Now, things you'll need besides the items in the kit are something to write with to trace the pieces onto your paper, onto the construction paper, scissors to cut them out, glue, and then if you want to do the bow or if you want to give them spots or something, some crayons or markers or something else to draw with. Now, I'm going to turn this down so you can see. Here are all the here are all the different pieces that you have when they're cut out. The tongue, the belly, the tail, the dog ear that you need to make two of, obviously, and a face stripe. The ears and the nose, or I'm sorry, the eyes and the nose, there aren't templates for. You can just kind of make them however you want. What else did I want to tell you about? I did make one, and this is how my dog looks when he's done. See his little tail and his belly there? And I think he has a really cute face. So just follow the directions and I'm sure you'll be fine. And I hope you enjoy this craft. Oh, I know what I wanted to tell you. If you want to make more dogs, like in the book, there were so many, just keep the templates for the pieces and you can draw them again and again and cut them out of paper. If you just have white paper and not construction paper, you can color them in. And then you can color them however you want and have all different colors of dogs. So I hope you've enjoyed this story and this craft for this week. And I hope everyone has a wonderful Christmas. And I'll be bringing you another story next month. Have a great time till then and enjoy your Christmas break. Bye.